202 million people listened to this song.
Get ready!
Johnny, Johnny.
Yes, Papa.
And likely earned $1,010,000 US.
Yay!
Another 2.3 billion people listened to this song.
What would I do without your smart mouth?
So you can just imagine how much this one video earned. Let me know when you have worked out the potential earnings on this one. Guess what? In this video, I have a beginner-friendly AI platform to share with you all so you can dare to dream again and create great music even if you don't know how to sing or how to write a song or how to create a beat. In this video, I am going to show you how to make $510 daily by uploading songs online worldwide. Imagine waking up each morning to find your bank account a little fuller than it was the night before. Ah, the world of residual income, a financial realm where your money works tirelessly for you, earning steady streams of revenue while you sleep, travel, or simply enjoy life. You could be a kid or someone with dreams of going into music writing, or a singer, or a record producer. This video is for everyone, as this video could give you boundless possibilities. Welcome back. Let's get into it. So the first step is to create your groundbreaking song lyric. You can focus on any age group, whether it's kids, teenagers, or even adults. I will be targeting adults in this video. We're going to use this special command in ChatGPT, which is suggestions for educational song titles for adults. We're going to choose the second one, which is steps to success. Then we're going to enter a command in ChatGPT that says, write me an unforgettable inspirational educational song for adults titled Steps to Success. This song looks awesome. Take a look. Woke up this morning with a vision in my mind, a dream to chase, a path to find. Set my goals clear as day. Gonna make my mark come what may. Wow, I like it. And this song could inspire someone and ignite a spark within you that will propel you toward your greatest dreams and aspirations. The second step is to produce your song. The app that we're going to use is Songr.ai. The link will be in the description. Now, this app is an AI music creation tool that lets you create personalized songs. You can create songs for free to begin your music journey from just a few keywords. So click login or sign up to get started by creating an account. Finish signing up by following the instructions given. Then select the type of music you want to create. We are going to select country. As you see, you can let Songr assist you with song lyrics, or you can use your own lyrics. In our case, we're going to select I have my lyrics. Just copy lyrics from ChatGPT and paste it in Songr. Now go ahead and remove headings like verse 1, etc. for better structuring of the song. Also copy and paste the title of your song. Choose your singer. I will select Natalie. the section that says select image, you can create an image for your song. You can create one in Canva for free. The link for Canva will also be in the description. When in Canva, select a square template as you see here. Search in Elements for Adults Country Music, or use the same prompt in Pixabay to find a suitable image. You can also choose a font you want to put your song title in. When you're through, download the image and upload it to Songr. You can also proceed without an image if you wish, but we are looking to make headlines here, so we're pulling out all the stops. With our image uploaded, select Render and give it 1 to 2 minutes to download. Now, are you skeptical that we can create an entire song with music and a singer? Well, wonder no more. Here is our song.
Woke up this morning with a vision in my mind, a dream to chase, a path to find. Set my goals clear as day, gonna make my mark, come what may. I've got the fire, I've got the drive. Every step I take, I feel alive. The road is long, but I'll stay strong. With every stumble, I'll carry on.
This is just a song, but further in the video, I will show you how to turn this song into a music video as you can earn even more money. But before we go on, comment amazing down below so I know how you find this content so far, and it also shows me how unique these ideas are. If you're also wondering if you will get copyrighted doing this, well, I used it in this video and I had no issues, so fear not. And the songs that are on Songr are royalty free, so you can use them for commercial use as well. Step 3 is to convert your song to a video. By going to Canva, click the video tab, then upload your song. Then you'll go to Elements and search for country music videos. Choose videos that tell the story of your song. Add text and animate to make the video stand out. Step 4. Circulate your song online everywhere. You can upload and circulate your song on DistroKid. Now, DistroKid is the easiest way for musicians to get music into Shopify, Apple, Amazon, Tidal, TikTok, YouTube, and more. You would pay only $22.99 to upload unlimited albums and songs for a year. But if you wanted to upload for free, you can do so on YouTube, Spotify, TikTok, and so many more sites. I hope you found this information helpful and that you're excited to start your own journey towards earning with music uploads. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below with any questions or feedback. I'd love to hear about your experiences and success stories. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our future tutorials and tips. I'm here to help you achieve your financial goals and live the life you've always dreamed of. Follow us on our social media platforms for more updates and behind the scenes content. The links are in the description below. Thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy uploading!